Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious prawn tom yum soup. We'll start by gathering fresh ingredients, then move on to preparing the aromatic herbs and spices. Next, I'll show you how to cook the prawns perfectly to maintain their tenderness. Finally, we'll balance all the sweet, sour, and spicy tastes for an authentic and easy meal. For our tom yum, select about 1 pound of fresh prawns, ensuring they are peeled and deveined. You'll need to thinly slice a 2-inch piece of galangal, 2 stalks of lemongrass, and tier 4 kaffir lime leaves. Prepare 1 cup of mushrooms and 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Also, have on hand 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Begin by boiling 4 cups of water in a pot, adding the sliced galangal and lemongrass. Once simmering, add the mushrooms and chili paste, letting them cook for about 2 minutes. Next, introduce the prawns, cooking them just until they turn pink, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, stir in the fish sauce, lime juice, and kaffir lime leaves, ensuring all flavors combine. After adding the final ingredients, taste your tom yum soup and adjust the seasonings if necessary, perhaps adding a little more lime juice or fish sauce to your preference. Garnish each serving with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro leaves for a burst of freshness. Serve your hot, aromatic tom yum soup immediately, ideally alongside a bowl of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.